How to log in into the Delta Airlines employee portal. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. First and foremost, open up a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for Delta Airlines Login. You can even search for Delta Airlines Employee Login. You have to tap on the first suggestion and make sure it is from the official web page. You'll be redirected to the Delta Airlines official web page. At the very top of your screen, you should find the login option. You have to go ahead and tap on it. To sign up, tap on Sign Up. Now to log in, you have to enter your Skymiles number or username and your password, then tap on Login. If you have forgotten the login information of your account, just tap on Forgot Login and it will redirect you to a new layout where you have to enter email address, first name and last name. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password. Enter email, then tap on Continue. You will receive a recovery link on your email address. And that is how you can easily log in to Delta Airlines. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.